That's why nobody's supposed to park here. Because when they do this, you get it? When they do this, they need space to go.
Yeah.
You gave me a ticket.
Yeah.
You see? This bus is this ambulance is coming. And I don't know if they're gonna park here. But anything the police could tell me something to move. No, they didn't tell me nothing. Okay. Anyway, let me put this in the light. This in the light means that I'm coming out. Okay. Let me take the phone out just in case she calls me.
I thought that, Daddy, I thought that we were going to,
What? Oh, urgent care? Oh, yeah.
I thought we were going to Mount Eden.
No, we got this near here. Plus, I got my card. I got a different card now that I could use in the hospitals.
I'm just filming the train tracks. You see this, Daddy? I'm filming the train tracks. I'm taking a little video. Retirement, right, Dad?
What, Bobby?
Retirement. You remember this used to be your work, Daddy? You did housekeeping here in the emergency room.
Yeah, Bobby.
You did housekeeping. You were a custodian. cop. Oh, that look a cop coming. Uh-oh.
I'm gonna have to move from here because this exit here is like very busy, right?
Yes.
This haven't called me either. Tell her to call me.
Bye.
Tell her to call me. So I could know, right?
Yeah. And there's a train going by. I'm filming it. I'm filming the train going by. To red line. So next is gonna be the blue one. And then the green one. Huh?
There's some parking over there, but I don't know if I fit. I don't think I fit over there.
They're waiting for the next call.
See, she haven't called.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Who texted you?
Nobody. I'm not even taking this.
Oh, Daddy, look, the train.
Yeah.
I'm filming it. The green line. Daddy, that was the green line. The Hudson line.
Okay.
Metro North. Because this right here is the Metro North, not Amtrak. Oh gosh, it's becoming very busy again. Now, you see this? Oh, it's a train. Blue line. Oh, another train coming. Wait. Southwest. Oh no. Another ambulance coming this way.
Oh shit. See what I told you?
Yes, you gotta move. Come on, move. Oh, God. Yo. Yeah, you gotta move.
I'm gonna have to move from here. Okay, Danny, hold on. Okay, no cars coming.
No cars are coming. Okay, you're good.
Okay, I got a parking here. Okay. This is a pump one.
That's a fire hydrant, yeah.
Let me see over here. There's another one over here. But I don't know if it's
Another
a pump.
fire.
I don't know if it's a pump. No, there's no pump.
There's no fire hydrant, no. Yeah, you're good.
Let's go over here.
Yeah, you're good right here.
Yep, I'll go here because like that, I'm not in nobody's way.
I took a video of some trains going by.